YouTube channel. My name is Estelvina. Today I would like to do another makeup tutorial. A Profusion palette from Walmart. I seen that they had two that I was really intrigued with and I wanted to give them a try and see how they worked. I was really excited to try a palette of theirs and I have two which I will show you. So the two palettes that I bought were one called Sultry. I just love the warm tones and how more of a natural eyeshadow palette this was, just with a few fun ones. And then I got the other one called Wanderlust, and I really love the colors that came with this one. So I was really intrigued to play with the purple and the blues and see how that turned out, maybe with a pink. I think that would be fun. Or even like a beautiful blue eye with that. I've always wanted to do that. So I'm not sure what I want to do today, but these are the two palettes that I will be playing with. I have mascara on, so that was my quick makeup for the day. We are going to be using the Wanderlust palette, and I'm really itching to play with the blue or the purple. I think I'm going to do a pink and purple look today, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the deep purple and kind of just put that all over my lid. This is a really pretty purple. This purple is so pretty. I'll be taking the pink shade right here, and I'm kind of gonna try and blend it out. Purple and pink go so well together on the eyes. Oh, I am literally in love with this palette already. The even lighter pink and buff that out right above the hot pink color that we just did. I'm gonna re-darken up that purple a bit. I'm going to grab this light purple and I'm gonna try and highlight the inner eyelid section. Not the inner corner, just the inner eyelid portion. Oh, it's like a beautiful blue iridescent glitter color. So eyeliner is on. Hopefully they look somewhat close. It's good enough. Up that hot pink and putting it on the lower lash. I'm actually going to be taking that iridescent blue purple and putting that on the inner lower lash. Should I try it? I'm gonna. I think it's cute. And you can see the blue reflex a little bit. And I just love how they all work together. And again, it was super, super easy to use. Sometimes purples can be harder to, the way they're formulated is not the best, so it's kind of hard and you have to keep packing it onto your eye. This one didn't take that long, and it's really such a pretty color. I really like the way it came out, and yeah, I really am glad that I took a chance on that palette because I think the eye look came out so cute, and yeah, I really love it. So if you guys like it, give this video a thumbs up and go try the Profusion palettes at Walmart. They were pretty cheap. They're pretty great, obviously. So give this video a thumbs up, try the palette, and turn on your bell notifications if you would like to see more. That's how the eyeshadow look came out today. I'm very happy with it. I actually really like my lip color combo with it too. So if you guys like this video, please give the palette a try. It was very fun and very easy to play with. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to meet you, love to have you, and love to interact with you. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!